Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin now. Unplug the machine and shut off water so you eliminate shock and floods. Remove detergent drawer and the screws holding the top, then slide the top back or lift the access tab. This gives you room to work. If the control panel is bolted, tilt it forward gently so you can see the door lock assembly. Once you have clear access, make sure the door is closed to observe wiring and the locking mechanism orientation before removing anything. You now remove the old latch. Press the wiring tab and disconnect the harness, labeling each lead so reconnection is foolproof. Unscrew the 2 or 3 mounting screws and pull the lock assembly straight out. Take note of any foam or gasket placement so you replace it exactly. Insert the new GE-specific door lock the same way, align the locator tabs, then tighten the screws evenly so the housing sits flush. Reattach the wiring harness, making sure each connector clicks. This prevents intermittent locks. You finish by reversing your steps. Lower the control panel, reseat the top and replace screws and the detergent drawer so seals compress correctly. Turn the water and power back on, then run a quick wash or diagnostic cycle to confirm the door locks and then unlocks at cycle end. If it doesn't lock, make sure the harness is fully seated and the connector tabs click. Check the washer's error codes or door lock fuse, and if still failing, replace the lock again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.